2015 Toyota Sienna Limited Premium 7-passenger van here at Unique Specialty and Classics. If you've watched our videos in the past, you know that we do take trade-ins, and we get a late model vehicle in from time to time. We do represent them just like our older classic and specialty vehicles. So here it is, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, 139,163 on the odometer at the moment. This is an all-wheel drive unit. Comes with a 3.5 liter V6 dual overhead cam underneath the hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, your modern amenities. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see over 100 pictures of this van at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the wheel. Of course, radial tires, I would say they're probably at least 50% or better. Not bad on the tread at all. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There's a few scuffs, marks up front on this fascia, by the way. You can see where there's some bugs that have been etched in. Kind of what you'd expect of a vehicle that's, 10 years old now. Has been driven. Nicely equipped, though, obviously with the limited and premium package. Power sliding doors both sides. Dual moon roofs. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at the interior. Start it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Little scuffs over here in the passenger side. And remember, like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available also. We can assist with transportation if you're not in our area. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Obviously, the limited 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive badging. Rear backup camera. Rear parking sensors also. Notice it had heated steering wheel. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Luggage rack or roof rack. There's a video screen with video inputs. Let's go ahead and open the power slider. Of course, second row captain's chairs. Fold down armrests. Mentioned the video screen. And the dual sunroofs. So leather interior as far as the seating surfaces go. Power seat over here in the driver's side. JBL stereo system. Monitor amenities with power windows, locks. Power mirrors, memory seating. Steering wheel controls, electronic climate control. Both key fobs with it. 139, 163. There's your exact miles. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Of course, push button to start. So I have not noticed any service engine soon, anything like that. Door jar, of course, I have that rear slider open. Heated seats up front. Rear temp controls for heat and AC. Dash looks good. Sounds as you'd expect. Can show you this power sliding door on this side too if you wanted to see it working. And again, seating surface is nice condition. I can pop the hood too, take a peek underneath there if you want to see the engine bay. And again, number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. All those still pics. Give me a second, I'll get that hood open. Take a peek at the engine. You can listen to it with the hood open. Hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. There it is. Dual overhead cam V6. 3.5 liter. Nice and clean and tidy engine bay. And a smooth runner. Obviously these vans, they'll go a while. 2015 Toyota Sienna Limited Premium, all-wheel drive, 7-passenger van, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2015 Toyota Sienna. This van has dual sliding doors. Our turn signals are working, our gauges are working. Easy to drive modern van, automatic, right here on the dash. Actually has some pretty good power if you put your foot down. The AC's blowing cold. Stereo sounds pretty good.
I can't make it down. I can't make it down. So get down, just beat and jump around. Jump around.
We have digital display between our gauges showing the fuel economy, the distance to empty, the exterior temperature, our speedometer and tachometer are working as they should. The fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank and the temperature is almost halfway on the gauge. Very smooth ride in this van. There is a power moonroof over their head. The horn is of course working. Power seats, power windows, nice smooth brakes, no pulsation, no pull to either side. Corners nicely. Leans as much as you'd want it to lean, so those rear passengers have a relaxing ride. There's the kick down on the automatic transmission, working as it should. A nice driving van. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2015 Toyota Sienna at uniqueclassiccars.com.